Hey, my name is Vincent, and in this video I'm going to present you my ideas for We Have a Dream project. The buildings or environment where knowledge is acquired is as important as the knowledge itself. Comfortable sitting positions, and sufficient space within lecture hall are some of the problems that may affect performance of students amongst others. To make a comfortable sitting in lecture hall, I applied a smart material principle on the chair. It will have a piezoelectric material under its seat cushion that produces an electric charge when compressed. The electric charge can be used to charge our devices. Furthermore, the electric charge will be converted back for deformation of the chair using the same piezoelectric materials. This will adjust the cushion and the back of the chair with the shape of the person's body to maximize the comfort of the seat. Secondly, we often face some problems to enter or leave the seat row in the lecture hall because the gate is really narrow. In this case, I will apply two of the intelligent kinetic system to the chair, which are indirect control system and direct control system. The chair will have one sensor in front of it to detect human movement. So when somebody passes through it, the chair will move backward to give some space for the person to enter the seat row. Afterward, it will go back to the normal position. Then the chair will also apply a direct control system as it has the ability to move forward, backward, left, right, and also rotating 360 degrees by using our energy as the source of movement. It will provide more interactive learning system, providing convenience for leaving or entering the seats, and also convenience for the teacher to adjust the seats for several cases like examination, group works, discussion, and